What's going on? My name is Tarun. I'm the founder of Ready Media, and we help 10x remodeling companies. And I want to show you exactly what we do, how we do it, and the results that we get. So, how do we 10x remodeling companies? And you will leave this video with tactics on how to grow your construction business. And hopefully, if you're interested in us building this out for you, we can definitely do that. Let's talk about who we serve, the problem we solve, results that we get, process, and then specific case studies to back it up. So the customers that get the best results with us are companies that are already over $1 million per year doing remodels like kitchens, add-ons, full home renovations, ADUs, and basically trying to get to $5 to $10 million a year. That's kind of our niche. We have 36 residential construction companies. Our average clients' annual sales range between 1 and 5 million, and some of our companies have crossed the $10 million a year mark. And so again, we only work with kitchen, bath, ADU, and full home remodelers only. We've had $56 million in sales that are trackable to us for our clients over the past 3 years. Really proud about that. We have 5-star ratings, a perfect 5-star rating to be exact. And so customer success is our number one metric. We drive it to make sure every customer has a great experience and nothing bad to say. So if you check us out on Google, Facebook, you can see we have perfect 5-star reviews. And again, that's a really testament because marketing companies get a bad rap all the time, and we want to be somebody who's different and a market leader. So again, customer service is our number one metric. We average a 6x return on investment with all of our construction companies. The average client adds $1.1 million in the first 12 months of working with us. And that is on average, meaning we have some clients who do better. So the problem we solve for remodelers and how we do it. 85% of remodelers stagnate because of these three problems. One is inconsistent lead generation. Most companies don't get enough leads to hit their sales goals, and most companies don't even track their lead flow. And what you don't measure, you can't improve. That's a huge problem that's plaguing the remodel industry, and it's extremely competitive. So having a marketing engine that works is extremely valuable for these companies. The second problem they have is poor follow-up and speed to lead. Most construction companies don't follow up with their leads within 5 minutes, and that's what we do for all of our clients. And we've seen a 26% increase in our close rates when the lead is contacted within 5 minutes of them reaching out and followed up with 3 times minimum. You should be doing that at a baseline if you want to be competitive. People are looking on Google and they're reaching out on ads, and if you follow up with them a day or two later, they've either reached out to another construction company or they forgot about you, or they're not going to answer, they're unresponsive, and you paid for that lead. You might as well get the value out of it. And then the third problem is low returns on marketing effort. Because they don't have a good brand, because they don't follow up properly, because they don't track their leads, any marketing efforts that they do are really inefficient. Because again, if you're not doing those things, you could get a bunch of leads from paid ads or any channel. And if you're not following up, working them, tracking them, then you're not going to make that much money. Here's an example of a client that we took in Boston who focuses on remodels from 1.2 million to 4.1 million in 29 months. And here's exactly what we did to triple Allston contractors. Here's just proof again of me with them. We were taking a photo, which you'll see here in a second. That was the photo we took. But here's exactly what we did. And I'm going to show proof as well. So we did omni-channel marketing. So they were just doing mailers, and we basically changed it to updating their Google business. We run Google local service ads. We run Facebook ads. We created a bunch of content for them. We got posts going out on social media consistently. We built relationships with 8 architects who typically refer us 2 to 3 projects a year. And so those are all different examples of ways that we built out the marketing so that we're visible. People actually know we exist. The more people that know you exist, the more business you're going to get by default. Then we work all the leads for you. So in this case, all the leads that come in, we automatically follow up with text and phone call to get them a booked site visit, because the quicker you can get them a booked site visit, the more closes you're going to have, the better customer experience you're going to have. Homeowners are picking the contractors that they trust the most, that have the best customer experience. And so this is a prime way to set yourself apart from all the competition. We track everything in the CRM, from how many leads we got, how many are in each stage of the pipeline, what our cost per booked estimate is, what our cost per acquisition is, etc. And I'll show you all of this in a detail. And again, it's always ROI. So we never charge more than what we make you guys, because again, we know if we make our clients a lot of money, they're going to keep us forever, and we're going to make a lot of money in the process. So let's go to some proof stuff. So again, here's their Google business. You can see it's completely maxed out. We rebuilt their website. You can see it's built by Ready Media. And we basically rebranded them. We showed off all their projects in a portfolio. We have reviews from architects that we recorded for them. We have full promo videos of before and afters of projects that they did. And again, we really built out their branding and really tried to position them as the #1 remodeler in Boston, which again is an extremely competitive market. Just to show you, we also created a ton of content because, again, content is how you separate yourself from competitors. They don't post content. They don't create good content. And again, we like the HGTV-like content. We've seen it works crazy as an ad. So always use HGTV-like concepts if you want to get really good advertising. But I'm just going to quickly walk you through some of the creatives that we did. So again, horizontal, vertical. Here's another walkthrough video. Here's a drone footage that we did for a home in Cambridge that they built. And then just to show you, we also have the team pics that we took. Again, great for branding. We have all their architect testimonials.
And the product is going to be, and the fine.
Reasonable people and not scam artists, but there are a lot out there, and I think people hear horror stories of those things.
So those are just examples again, and then we have customer testimonials as well because proof sells.
My name is Quan Wong, and I will highly recommend Allston Contractors.
I'm Linda Laska. My husband and I decided that we needed to more or less age in place. We didn't want to move out of our neighborhood.
My name is Maciej Gadomski. I highly recommend Allston Contractors. Worked with them on 2 sizable projects.
So again, that's why we have great creatives and great ad performance. So now let's go into the results. So you can see we spent $6,800 in the past 90 days to get 83 leads at an $82 cost per lead, which is fantastic because the average ticket price for these guys is $200,000 and up. So just to give you some more proof, here's the ad account. I will refresh this and you will see that we have 83 leads at an $82 cost per lead. And I will then show you here examples of the leads themselves, just so you can see, because quality does matter and they need to be BANT qualified. So budget, authority, needs, and timing. They need to match all these criteria for it to be a qualified lead. So you can see we get the budgets, we get their address, we get their timeline, we get the description, we verify their phone number. So none of our numbers get, marked as discontinued, or when you call a lead, they don't answer, the phone doesn't even work. Yeah, and you can see that these are all in the right zip codes that they're targeting. And I wanted to show this because a lot of people think you can't get qualified leads from Facebook or Google, but they really come in when you got your marketing and your branding dialed in. This is totally possible. And again, just to show you proof, I'm just going to go through a couple of these leads here. I'll refresh this for you. Just for example, Jonathan Archer wants to do a kitchen remodel. Ruthman, wants to do this project. They have $1 million budget. Muhammad, again, $700K budget. Kitchen renovation was $75,000. Anthony is a $20,000 porch and a second bathroom remodel. Louisa wants to change 9 bedrooms into 9 single units. It has a $250,000 budget. Ibrahim has a $100,000 to $200,000 budget. Stella has a $100,000 to $200,000 budget. Jamie also has a $100,000 to $200,000 budget. Mosina has a $100,000 to $200,000 budget. And again, looking to change garage to multi-purpose space and build a new garage. So it's an ADU type project. $200,000 to $350,000 budget. They don't have plans yet. They're looking to do a renovation. The best time to reach out to them, their address and all their contact information. So again, all these leads are great leads, and this is what your business could be generating if you dialed in your marketing. Here's just examples, because a lot of contractors don't understand how to make marketing that is actually appealing to the right homeowner. And so you can steal this, but this is just an example of how we break up our messaging for each of our clients to get the best results. And so for kitchens, women and couples drive kitchen remodels. It's an emotional decision tied to lifestyle, hosting, and pride. They're buying how the space makes them feel. So the messaging that works is bring everyone together again, cook and host, live better, etc. And the best offer for it is a free 3D design or a color plan, right? So that you can get people to book a consultation like that, and then you can upsell them the actual construction and qualify them throughout that process. Same thing with baths. They want relief from stress. They hate their old bathroom. And so messaging that works is turning your daily routine into a spa experience, relax, recharge, repeat. And so offering some sort of luxury tile and design plan is really good. And a spa style bathroom consultation, those are good offers rather than just a free quote. And then full home is couples making this investment to see it as their forever home. You know, they use a lot of logic and then emotion as well. They're buying peace of mind, resale value, and comfort. So finally make your home fit your lifestyle, modernize it every inch without losing the character you love. These are what they want. And so using that in your marketing is much better. And again, free master plan and budget review. Again, it sells that certainty and trust that's going to get you way more leads than get a quote. Okay. So these are, again, just examples for you to hopefully get the brain flowing. This is an example of how we track all the leads. We build out the CRMs for our clients. So just to show you all of these leads, we can basically call, email, we can see what stage they're at in the pipeline. For example, if we need to text this lead, it's like, hey, Jonathan, it's Mirel from Allston. We got your request, 2 quick questions to get you a site visit. Boom, they booked an appointment. And then they said, hey, call me Thursday afternoon this week. Got it, will do. We can call this lead directly. We can update their information here. We can see exactly where they came from. And again, they came from Facebook. And we can see how they filled out and the form information that they filled out. And so this is super useful. Most contractors don't have this stuff and they can't see the results of what they're doing. And so that's a big problem that we try to fix. Because again, if we can maximize for close rates and follow up, we're going to make the most profit. And just another example, here's also how we can break it up. And if I were to click board view, you can see all these leads, all their information, and we can keep track of it this way to make sure that every lead gets closed and every lead gets contacted and has a great customer experience, whether they decide to work with us or not. All these leads, this is what we build out for you. It's actually required. Like, we need to do this in order to gain, more return on our marketing efforts. And so our process, the way that this works is basically we do a strategy call. We learn about your business and kind of just see if we're a good fit. We're going to ask you questions like, how many leads are you at now? What's your capacity like? What's your gross margin? What's your average ticket? Kind of like what's working, just to get an idea of where you want to go. And then we create a 30-day performance trial. So we basically work on a performance basis in the beginning because we know that there's a lot of bad marketing companies out there. So this is where we will basically run our services for 30 days, show you ideally get a closed project, but if not, get you a lot of qualified site visits. And then from there, hopefully you see the return on your investment and how you're going to need this to drive business for your crews, etc. And so from there, we do the 30-day trial. We reevaluate after the trial if it's something that you want to continue long-term. And then we create a long-term plan to make sure that growth is consistent and predictable. And then from there, once we start, growing the business, it really becomes a question of, do you want to sell the business or do you want to just build it as an asset and own it and just have it for cash flow? We reverse your exit valuation or your annual sales goals, and then we work backwards to help you build that dream asset. So if you want to build a $10 million a year business with 20% profit, it's like, you're going to need this kind of pricing. You're going to need this many leads. You're going to need to close at this percentage. This is what we kind of help you reverse engineer exactly what it's going to be. And then we help you execute on that. So why choose us? Again, I'm not going to try and pride ourselves too much on all this stuff, but we specialize in remodeling only. And we have an elite track record in the remodeling industry. And we base our pricing on the results we deliver. So really, it's a no-brainer. We even offer a performance-based trial because we're that confident in what we do. And we just want to build relationships with as many construction companies as we can in the residential space. And so just some things to keep in mind is that a generic agency is going to be slow. They're not going to be based on performance. They're probably not going to understand the industry in detail, what homeowners actually want, the marketing that's working, what competitors are doing, what separates you from the other contractors. They're not going to know that in detail. So therefore, their marketing is going to be generic. They are a commodity because they're selling time. They're not selling results. And so you are paying them to do work or labor, but it may not be tied to any sort of actionable result. They do not do ROI-based pricing because typically they would make less money doing that. And they don't have a proven track record in the remodeling industry. If you were to hire somebody in-house, the performance and speed is debatable. They might be a little bit faster because that's all they do. However, they typically are a junior marketing manager. They're not somebody who's worked with 36 construction companies in the 1 to 5 million range. They don't have all the data. They don't have all the ads created. They don't have all the landing pages, the automations, and the best practices. So when we say performance and speed, it's still questionable. They do understand your industry because they work for your business. So they understand your business, your market, which is good. At the end of the day, they're still a commodity because they're just selling time. ROI-based pricing, most companies do not compensate their marketing team based on revenue like this. So Typically, it's just a salary or an hourly rate. And proven track record, again, typically there's no proven track record. It's just somebody that's in their market that is willing to do marketing, that they pay, that makes sense for them. Ready Media, on the other hand, we have performance-based pay. We're extremely fast because we're constantly iterating. We understand the industry because this is the only industry that we work with. We do not sell time. We sell value and results-based. So everything we drive towards is how can we make you as much money as possible so we can make as much money as possible. We're not saying, hey, we're going to do SEO services and this service for you and this service, and it's going to cost you this flat rate. We're against that, and it doesn't get the client good results and it doesn't get the agency good results. So there's no point in doing that. We are based on ROI because we're good at what we do, and so that's what incentivizes us to be even better. And we do have a proven track record. So again, I hope that you walked away with something from this video. We tried to give away all the information and just show what's possible. And if you're interested, you can book a call with us. Again, we have nothing to sell you. We just want to provide value. You can check us out at readymedia.solutions on the internet. You can check out a bunch of our case studies. You can check us out on Instagram. But like I said, if you're a company that's trying to get to $5-10 million a year, the construction industry is tough. It's competitive, and you need somebody who really understands it and has a team that's built around making sure that the remodelers are getting the most bang for their buck and the highest ROI possible. And that's us. So if you're interested, book a call with us. We'd be happy to learn more about your business. Have a great day, and I wish you the best of luck.